Hi, I'm Sajin with Sparesphere. Today we're going to put together the base of your embroidery machine. You're going to need the tools that came with it. Going to be this Allen wrench, and then you'll find your screws, your 3 plates, and your 2 sides. So it'll be easier if you have 2 people, one to hold up each side. You'll take one of your middle plates, and you'll set your screws.
And screws on the other side as well.
And then just make sure you give them a good tight crank. Now you'll take your front plate, stick it on here, and insert your screws. And then go ahead and tighten those down. And then go ahead and give all 4 of them a good crank. Okay, and then we're going to spin this around and do the exact same thing with the back plate. And then once everything is on, go back through and just make sure everything is nice and tight. You're going to take your clear feet pieces, get them all placed. Okay, and now with 2 people, you'll pick up your embroidery machine and set it on the feet. Okay, now that we've got it placed, we're going to go ahead and place the screws into the feet from the bottom. To take your bolt, you'll attach the black lock washer and then the other washer, and these will go into the bottom. Now go ahead and do this to all 4. Just get them started. We'll come back and tighten them at the end. Okay, now you'll take your wrench from your toolkit, or if you have access to a drill with a 3/4 inch socket, we'll go ahead and tighten each of these bolts.